Hello students, let us read this question. Name each polygon, and we have given four figures and it is said that make two more examples of each of these. So first of all we have to name each of the polygon, and we have to give two more example of the given polygons. So let us first understand different types of polygon. So we know that polygon is a figure which does not cross itself, and it is a closed figure and which made up of line segment. So if a polygon is of three sides, we call such polygons as triangle. Then if a polygon has four sides, we call such polygons as quadrilaterals. Then for five sides, it is known as pentagon. If it has six sides, we call such as hexagon. For seven sides, we call it as septagon. For eight sides, if a polygon has eight sides, we call it as octagon. If it has nine sides, we call it as nonagon. And for 10 sides, we call such polygons as decagon. So these are different types of polygons based on the number of sides. Now let us look at the figure. So the first figure, if we count the number of sides, it has 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. So therefore it will be a quadrilateral. So our first figure, as since it has four sides, we will call it as a quadrilateral. And we have to draw two more examples of this. So we can draw the example of a square which has all the sides equal. So this is one example, and we can consider rectangle as an example of a quadrilateral where opposite sides are equal. Now let us consider the second figure. So second figure has three sides, so it will be a triangle. 1, 2, 3. So this will be a triangle. Now if we want to draw two more examples, so this will be one example of triangle, and this can be another example of a triangle. We can assume these three sides to be equal. So these are two more examples of a triangle. Now let us consider the third diagram. So we can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this will be a pentagon. We can write it as pentagon. And if you want to draw two more examples, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can see that it has five vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five vertices. And similarly we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are two more examples of pentagons. Now let us consider the last figure. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 figures. Sorry, 8 sides. So we will call this figure as octagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So since it has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, so we will call it as octagon. Now let us try to draw one more example of this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with all the sides to be equal, and we will call such octagon as a regular octagon. So this is one example of octagon, and we will draw one irregular octagon where all not all the sides will be equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be one example of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are two examples of octagon. So in this question, we have seen different types of polygon and identify the figure based on the number of sides. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.